What is up, YouTube? And welcome to brand new video content to the channel. As you can see, we are out of the shotgun range, Millride Country Sports in Essington, with Black Country clay bosters. We've got a black powder Blunderbus out there, 12 gauge shotguns. We've got a few lads down there currently shooting already. We've got just behind is the skeet. Me and my brother will be on there shooting. I'll do a video of that, telling you each stand, where the clays are coming in from. But for now, let's head on down to here and let's just see how these are going on.
Pull. Pull. That's good. Yeah. Do the fucking iron break work. Ready? Pull.
Leave it in, shoot whatever, and then take it out. I have to do it.
Oh, watch that fucking bit come over the line for that back.
Got my brother in the stand doing 3A, which goes straight away from you, and this one is coming in towards where you're standing. Ready when you are. On report. IB report. Oh! Trying again. IB on report. Oh! Whoa!
Fuck you again.
On the skate, first trap, on, low, and a pair.
So you're stopping down here.
Pull. Pull. On this one, the both at the same time. Pull. My brother on the first stand. Pull. 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 No bird. Stand 2 is again high low pair. Oh! No bird. No birds are when the clays are smashing. Oh! Oh! He hasn't missed yet. On that stand there, high, low, no pair. Middle stand, you get to choose high or low bird first, then a pair. And then it's repeated for the final 3 stands. Say hello to the camera, Eddie. All right. It's good lad, Eddie's. High, low. Whoa! Now the low bird. Whoa! Missed them both. On this one now, on the pair, he has to shoot the low bird first, and then the high. You can put a comment below if I'm wrong. This is what I know. Oh. No bird. Oh. You got them both? Low first. Low first. Low first. Oh. What? Oh! On this one, that's pair, 6. Shooting low bird first.
That's 6.
Oh! There we go. Lee won. I missed.
Yes!
How many did I miss?
Huh?
How many did I miss?
8.
I missed 8. He missed 6. Ain't shot for over a year. Oh, I hate this walk up a hill. But we've been here 2.5 hours. Nice chilled out shoot. I've only got through 40 cartridges. Just taking my time. Nice day. Enjoying the weather. Enjoying the company. Here's the gun. Up top, let's go get a drink.
You tell me when.
When you are.
Oh,
You have step to the front now, mate. On the phone mode, you can drive your fucking car and look at the top of the bank now.
See? That couldn't send him a fiver. That tight bastard.
that's some right shit now over there. Fucking hell. Yeah. Firing!
And there's the day. 4 o'clock. Got here for 12. Nice 4 hours shooting on the range. Had to go on the skate, which he beat me. There you go. YouTube can see that you actually beat me on the skate for a change.
Change.
There we go. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.